welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English. Welcome. Today I want to share with you my cross-stitching happy place. This is where I sit and this is where all the magic happens. I like these pillows and I have this blanket that's made of wool. I live in Scandinavia, so it gets cold in the winter, so I need this. And here, this is my lamp. And this is like a storage capacity, like pockets here. I keep my organizer with floss here. Keep my notebook where I write everything about my cross-stitching projects. I have like a little box to keep my needles. And I think I have one more. This one is also a storage compartment for my needles. Here I have my scissors, and this is, I don't know what it's called. I use it when I make mistakes while I'm cross-stitching. Take care of that later. And here, this is where I store my current project, the project that I'm working on right now. And this is very good. I like this one from DMC. You can store stuff inside. Let me just open it. It's hard to do it with one hand. Oh, here it is. You can store stuff here, like floss, a little organizer, bobbins. So this is very convenient. Well, this was it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Comments, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, because there's so much more to come, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.